Hello everybody, welcome back with another video with Sir J. This is video part 2 on how to get Windows 11 25H2 installed via USB. This is going to simply show you how to get into the BIOS, what BIOS settings you need to be able to do this, and to be able to boot into the USB thumb drive that we created for the Rufus. We're going to move along, go ahead and jump into the BIOS here. As your computer is booting up, you want to go ahead and either hit delete or escape. Most computers are this way, but some of them are different keys. I'll try to have all the different keys listed down below in the description. Each BIOS is going to be a little different. This is an older BIOS. A lot of times the MSI, ASUS, and all that are going to be a much more graphical interface with this. This one we have to use a keyboard. Go ahead and go to security. You want to go to your boot. You want to make sure that it is enabled because especially with the new games and like Battlefield 6 and Call of Duty, you need to have secure boot on. And you have to have TPM on it, TPM 2.0. This computer does not do that, unfortunately. This is just one of those small little mini computers that I ordered off Amazon a long time ago. You want to have secure boot enabled, and then you want to make sure that the secure boot customization is standard, not custom. Boot wise, you're going to want to make sure that your USB key can be, the boot order be at the top. For me, it's going to be the hard disk USB flash drive. I do already have Windows installed onto this. As you can see here, I moved it here. I put the Samsung flash drive up here, the one that I have Rufus on. I would also suggest to go ahead and disable fast boot. That's just my personal preference. It's totally up to you on that one. Here, you want to go ahead and hit save, changes, and reset. To be on the safe side, you want to quickly hit the boot key for your computer. For me, it's F7 for this odd computer, but for other computers it's going to be, for other computers such as like MSI, the boot menu key is going to be probably F11. ASUS is probably going to be escape. Once you're in here, go ahead and hit enter. This will get you into the Windows 11 setup. This concludes this portion of the video. Since it's just going to be a series, the next video is going to get into the Windows 11 setup. I'll see y'all in the next video. God bless.